couldn't get him out.
Valerian. You left him behind!
Stand down! Let him go, Kerrigan. Valerian is helping us.
There is no us.
IFF negative. Multiple hostiles inside the perimeter.
Scramble attack response squads 3 through 9. Hull breach! Frame 7, deck 3! Defensive maneuver Delta 4. Prep all stations for jump.
No one is going anywhere until I see Jim.
Shields at 30. Failure imminent.
Dominion fleet, this is Hyperion. Cease fire. Crown Prince Valerian is aboard.
My father will sacrifice any piece on the chessboard to take the queen.
We have to jump now. We'll lead them away and circle back for Jim.
Decompression.
Sarah! We need to work together.
Do what you want. I'm going to find Jim.
Kerrigan, before we jumped, Hyperion tracked multiple Dominion signatures headed down to the surface. You're gonna have a surprise party down there.
Scanning. Detecting Dominion forces and a Zerg hive cluster.
Yeah, there must be an old hive here. I'm more worried about the Dominion.
Ground team, this is Fleet. What is your status?
Fleet, our base is set up, and the Drakken pulse cannon is almost online.
Roger that. Eliminate all stragglers as they warp to these coordinates. We'll return for you. Fleet out.
That cannon will take out Jim's ship as soon as he enters orbit. He'll never see it coming. Set course for the Zerg hive cluster. I need an army. I can sense a mind controlling this brood. Who are you?
My queen, I am Nakjul, a brood mother. You created us to extend your control of the swarm. Have you returned to us?
I'm not your queen, and I haven't returned. But I need your brood to destroy the Terran cannon right now.
Most of my brood is with me. I can send them to you, but it will take time.
Then send them. When they arrive, we'll tear down that cannon before Jim gets here. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare this hive for combat. The Dominion would have tracked my ship, and they'll be looking for me. Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. The first thing I need is a spawning pool. Say again? Heading out. Sweeping. Work to be done. I gotcha. Right.
When the Dominion arrived, they drove some of my brood into caves. They will rejoin us if we can kill the Terran soldiers guarding the cave entrances.
Yeah.
Command, we've found Kerrigan. She's holed up in a Zerg base. We're going in. Send reinforcements.
The Dominion found us. They're going to hit us hard. Pushing ahead. On the same page. Covering ground. I should make Zerglings from the larva at my hatchery. Yeah, I hear you. Say again? I remember spine crawlers. I can mutate them from drones. What is it? I gotcha. Safety's off. Pushing it. This is Kerrigan. Heading out. On the same page. Yeah, I hear you. Work to be done. Say again?
Spawn more overlords.
Heading out. Right. Covering ground. Pushing ahead.
Stand back up! Being attacked!
On the same page. Heading out. I gotcha.
A queen would be very useful for fighting the Terrans. You can birth a queen at the hatchery.
What is it? Safety's off. Yeah. This is Kerrigan. What is it? Work to be done. Say again? Ready for action. Safety's off. This is Kerrigan. Pushing it. Heading out. Say again? Yeah, I hear you. Ready for...
We require more minerals.
What is it? Safety's off. This is Kerrigan. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. Right. Sweeping.
Mutation complete.
Ready for action. I gotcha. Heading out. Covering ground. On the same. Work to be done.
Come out of hiding, Zerglings! Fight for your queen! There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen. We require more minerals.
Dominion approaching from the north.
More minerals.
Safety's off. I gotcha. On the same page. Work to be done. Covering ground. Safety's off. Ready for action. What is it? Sweeping. Right. On the same. I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Covering ground.
You have recovered part of the brood. Rise, my children.
He's off. Work to be...
Our forces are under attack.
I got you. Right. Safety's off. This is Kerrigan. Ready for action.
We require more Vespine gas.
I gotcha. Pushing ahead.
Mutation. Spawn more overlords.
Sweeping. Heading out. Right. I gotcha.
There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Pushing ahead.
More of my Zerglings. The brood grows stronger.
Pushing ahead. Covering ground.
Our forces are under attack. There is a large Dominion force on its way to the hive cluster.
Safety's off.
Our forces are under attack.
Say again? Ready for action. Heading out. Safety's off. What is it? On the same page. Work to be done. This is Kerrigan. Right. Sweeping. I gotcha.
Mutation complete.
Say again? Covering ground. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. Yeah, I hear you. Sweeping. I gotcha. Right. Pushing ahead. Heading out. Sweeping. Ready for action. This is Kerrigan. Work to be done. Covering ground. I gotcha. On the same page.
Our forces are under attack.
Ready for action. Safety's off. Yeah, I hear you.
The worms are tunneling to you right now. My brood will be there soon.
Work to be done. Covering ground. Sweeping. Heading out. I gotcha. Work to be done. Ready for action. Covering ground. Pushing ahead. Right. Sweeping. On the same page. I gotcha. Yes. Say again. Ready for action. Heading out. Covering ground. Work to be done. Right.
Our forces are under attack.
I gotcha.
Only a short time before my Nidus worms bring reinforcements. My brood has come. They are yours to command, my queen.
Perfect. Now let's get up to their base and destroy that cannon before Jim arrives.
If you wish to command all of your forces in battle, there is a way to control them all at once.
Ready for action? Covering ground.
Our forces are under attack.
Safety's off. I gotcha. What is this? Is Kerrigan. Covering ground. Right. Pushing ahead.
Our forces are under attack.
I gotcha. Heading out. On the same page. Work to be done. Sweeping. Covering ground.
Zerg! Defend the cannon!
I have arrived. All of my brood is here to serve you.
Yeah, I hear you. What is it? Work to be done.
The gun is destroyed! The Terrans are fleeing to their ships!
Kill them all. No one gets out alive.
Yes! The Queen has returned! Kill the Terrans!
The Queen? You're right. I was slipping back into something that... I have to get out of here.
We will await your return.